I'm Kristina, and I'm excited to announce the release of Spindle Feedback to our customers. At Spindle, we're constantly evaluating our development roadmap and really trying to make sure that what we develop is something that would be useful to you. But now we are asking for you to tell us what you want. So why is this new process important to you? At Spindle, we live by the motto that none of us are as smart as all of us together. And so while we've always valued your ideas and your opinions, we've found that there are some gaps in communication along the way. And so we're really trying to close that feedback loop. This tool is going to make your voices stronger than ever. So what can you expect? You'll be able to submit a request directly from Spindle Live. You will get instant notifications when there's been a change in status of your ticket or if somebody has commented on that ticket. One of the greatest features that I like is that you have your own personal dashboard that shows all of your priorities. And you actually get the chance to vote on other priorities and feedback items that are listed. Finally, you'll be able to see a little bit of a sneak peek into what's coming with our upcoming releases, and release notes will also be located here. So you might be asking yourself, what kind of ideas should I submit? And honestly, anything that you think would be beneficial to you as our customer would be exactly what we need. So if you've ever thought it would be amazing if Spindle could, we want that. And if you've ever thought it would be really a lot easier if Spindle would just, we want those too. So what's next? Well, hopefully you'll stick around and watch our Spindle Feedback tutorial video so that you get all the how-to of putting in those requests, and then we cannot wait to see what you guys come up with.